Hi guys, welcome to this video. We have a simple question. The author calls the mall an ecosystem unto itself because why does he call it an ecosystem unto itself? An ecosystem within itself. Why does he do so? Let's refer to the lines first. The mall was an ecosystem unto itself, a combination of community, commercialism, peddling everything you needed and everything you did not, magic eye posters, wind catchers, Air Jordans, etc., etc. These are all the things which are available, diverse things, very different things, everything available under one roof. So basically it was a place where the community got together. It was a place where people had their shops, there was commerce, there was business activity, everything happened under this one roof, right? So now, which option signifies this? Option number C. It was a commercial space, refers to commercialism, as well as a gathering place, a community place. So this line, a combination of community and commercialism, explains why was it an ecosystem unto itself. Direct answer can be derived from this line itself. That's how easy this question is. People of all ages and all walks of life went there. The ecosystem cannot be with only people alone. The ecosystem implies something bigger. It implies people, it implies businesses, it implies interaction, social life, community. Hence this option is ruled out. This is only talking about people. People could shop as well as eat in one place. This is only talking about the commercial activities also of a certain kind. It sold things that were needed as well as those were not needed. Again, it is only talking of commercial activities, missing out the community aspect. An ecosystem requires everything in it. Hence the correct answer is option number C, right? So a basic understanding of what an ecosystem is, plus understanding these lines and connecting these lines with the given extract in the passage, you will be easily able to identify the answer in this particular case, right? Hopefully so you've understood the question and you've learned something valuable from this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.